warriors. So I'm going to show you a specific video on how to kind of like solve a specific error that a lot of people are getting, not just some of the students, but also advertisers or those who are using Facebook Ads Manager because of the iOS 14 changes. All right. So here, if you are setting up a conversions um, campaign objective, here in the conversion event, you may be getting these errors, these like color yellow na triangle na warnings. It says na this event hasn't been set up on any of your domains. All right. And as you can see, there are some na hindi naka-set up, and then itong purchase naka-set up na siya. Okay, so kasi na-set up ko na yan siya before dati. Itong iba, hindi ko lang ginawa. Okay. So, ang gagawin yan, first and foremost, if you don't know what's happening or if you don't know what to do, syempre, meron namang pin-provide dito si Facebook na learn more na link. Okay? So, you have to be resourceful din. If may pinaprovide na mga links, if may pinaprovide na mga hints, basahin ninyo. And for you to know what's the answer or how to solve it or what's going on. So, ako naman, of course, kinlik ko yan, di ba? So, nung kinlik ko yan, dito ako pinunta sa Events Manager. So, ito, na-verify ko na kasi itong domain na fbadsintensive.com. Pero dati, nakalagay na verified domain na blue siya. Alright? So, ang gagawin nyo lang kasi doon is that i-click ninyo yung domain, i-click ninyo pala yung blue na verified domain. Okay? So, let's see here. So, dito siya sa business manager ninyo. Under the domains section, dito sa left. Alright? So, verified na yung domains ko. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-verify ng domain ninyo na gagamitin is that mag-add lang kayo. Okay? Lagay niyo yung domain dyan. And then, merong mga instructions. So, let's try this na domain, adsintensive. Para makita nyo lang kung ano yung mag-show up. Alright, so adsintensive.com. Click ko yung add domain. Okay, so yan yung mag-show up, and then you have a few options to verify. So ako hindi ko ginagawa itong DNS verification, hindi ko ginagawa itong HTML file upload. Ang ginagawa ko ito is itong meta tag verification. Now, depende ito kung anong platform na ginagamit ninyo. Itong adsintensive.com kasi is WordPress. Okay? Same with itong fbadsintensive.com, WordPress din to. Itong shop.fbadsintensive.com, Shopify to. Okay? So, let's use this muna as an example, itong fbadsintensive.com. Wait lang. Ibalik ko to. Para makita ninyo, ha? Okay. Ayaw na niya kasi nag-add na siya. So, para makita niyo ulit yung instructions. Yung meta tag yung ginagamit ko kasi madali lang siya i-install sa WordPress. Pwede nyo ito gawin, yung DNS verification, follow niyo yung process. Never ko pa yan fina-follow. Itong HTML file upload, pwede nyo din yan i-follow, pero hindi ko pa yan na-follow. So, itong meta tag yung ginamit ko. So, add this meta tag to the head section in the HTML of your domain homepage, adsintensive.com. Okay, so copy natin yan. And then, let's pretend muna na ito yung adsintensive.com na interface. Okay? I have installed the tracking code manager na plugin para madali lang. And this was also taught in the lessons ng FB Ads Intensive course, di ba? So, nag-add ako ng new tracking code. Okay? So, mag-click kayo niyan, add new tracking code, pero i-open ko lang tong ginawa ko. Okay? So, pinangalanan ko lang siya. Itong tracking code na ginawa ko recently, Facebook domain verification meta tag. Okay? And then, pinaste ko lang yung meta tag dyan. That's it. Wala ka na ibang gagawin dyan. Make sure na itong position inside the code is before the backslash na head. Okay? So, that's actually a default there. Yung before ng backslash na head code or ending head tag or closing head tag. Yun yung tawag namin dyan. And then, usually show only on device, all. Where do you want to add this code? Standard code tracking lang. In which page do you want to insert this code? So, in the whole website. And then, isi-save nyo lang yan. Right? So, pag save ninyo dyan, click nyo yung verify here. And then, pag na-verify na yan, makikita nila yung meta tag doon, is that dapat ganito na siya. Alright? So, FB, parang ganito na siya lalabas. As in, okay na siya. Alright? Wala ka nang idadagdag dito sa partners, wala ka nang idadagdag dito sa connected assets, wala ka nang idadagdag dito sa domain access. Basta't ganyan lang siya. Alright? Now, since na-verify mo na yung domain, balik tayo dito sa Events Manager na Web Events Configuration. Okay, so paano ko napunta dito? Basta't kinlik ko lang tong Learn More or itong Go to Events Manager. Okay, so from here, yung sa error message na nare-receive ninyo, either Learn More or Go to Events Manager. Right? So let's use again this fbadsintensive.com na example. So ito, pwede ko na siya i-edit. Ang meaning niyan is that mag-assign ako ng mga events for this domain. Because according to the iOS 14 update, you can only use 8 pixel events per domain. Okay? 8 pixel events per domain lang. Kaya siya naka-yellow dito, yung ibang events, pixel events, kasi hindi pa sila na-assign. Hindi pa sila na-set yung priority nila. Okay? Hindi pa sila na-i-include doon sa 8 lang na pwede gamitin per domain. Alright, so yung purchase naka-setup na siya dyan. And then, i-click natin tong edit events. Okay? And sabi dito, it may take up to 48 hours to see results in ads and ad set measurements. Okay? So, blah, 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 and other info there na pwede nyo din basahin. And then, click natin yung edit. Okay, so here, pipili kayo ng highest priority. So, yung highest priority is yun yung pinaka gusto nyo i-track talaga na Facebook pixel event. Alright, so, ayan, merong mga explanation dyan here. And of course, since ang goal ko naman talaga is purchase, so gusto ko ang highest priority would be purchase. Ayan. So, depende yun sa inyo ha. What if yung highest priority nyo pala is view content or whatever, diba? Or maybe add to cart or add payment info or initiate checkout. Ayan. So, event slots filled. Ayan, nakikita nyo, 1 of 8. Value optimization. Okay. So, ito, turn on for this pixel. Generate 100 plus optimized per last at least 10 distinct values in the last 7 days. Okay, so on nyo lang tong value optimization if nagkaroon na siya ng 100 plus optimized events and 10 distinct values in the last 7 days. So since walang nangyayari muna, hindi siya mata-turn on. Right? And then click natin yung add event. Okay, lowest priority. So dapat anuhin mo yung pixel. Okay, so ang anuhin ko would be initiate checkout. And then I think add payment or hindi pala. Add payment. Initiate checkout. Add to cart. And view content. Ayan. So, yan yung pagka-setup ko. Kayo, depende kung ano yung gusto ninyo. Pwede kayo mag-search kung ano ba yung usually yung ginagawa ng iba for this. There's really no parang data yet on what would be the effects of this sa mga campaigns. Pero set your highest priority kung ano talaga yung tinatrack ninyo na event. This has something to do with people opting in and opting out doon nga sa privacy tracking ng iOS 14. Alright? So, you can go ahead and click submit. Okay? So, bakit hindi pala available yung ibang mga events? So, wala kasi silang activity or walang pixel fires or parang hindi sila nagkaroon ng any activity or pixel fires before. Alright? So, ito lang yung mga nagkaroon ng pixel fires and kasi Shopify siya na platform. So, usually yan lang din yung mga nire-report ni Shopify. And yes, I understand these changes. Click natin yan and then click apply. Alright, so you've successfully changed event configurations. This is for the domain, this one. Alright. Okay. So, i-refresh natin dito sa campaign setup natin para makikita natin kung available na ba yung ibang mga pixel events for the conversion event. But usually, of course, kung e-commerce kayo, di dapat purchase lang yung conversion event ninyo unless you're optimizing for something else. Kung lead generation naman na conversion campaign, edi kung may leads lead kayo na ano na pixel event, eh, yun dapat yung gamitin niyo for the conversion event if you're tracking leads or yun yung goal ninyo. So, tingnan natin sa conversion event ngayon for the website kung mawawala na yung mga yellow na mga triangle kanina. Okay, so tingnan natin sa choose an event. Alright, so nakikita niyo wala na yung mga error message kanina. Wala na yung mga yellow na rectangle. So, na-set up na sila ng maayos. Ito yung mga inactive event na hindi naman ginagamit Shopify, kaya hindi siya hindi siya available kanina to set up. Again, it's only 8 pixel events per domain. Make sure na na-verify niyo yung domain niyo. The instructions are clear naman on what to do. Just have to figure it out yourself kung anong instruction ang ifa-follow niyo doon kasi may options naman. And then, yes, that's it dito sa domain section ng business manager nyo, i-verify. Alright, that's it for this video.